Again, promise you give the 3 hours. And yes, he promises. Again, now we will.
He's given us time. He said that by 12 hours you'll arrest. However, we have increased now.
We have added the time. You will take appropriate actions against all the culprits. Okay? I am assuring you this.
No, the reason why we blocked the road.
What is the last night excuse?
So because of that only.
So when are you going to arrest?
We should not say that.
Please.
We give a slogan, day of Zegas, then they will be returned back. Because of they agreed that they will arrest them in 12 hours. Now it's already 24 hours. Then where is that?
We are going to take it.
Where is the action you have taken?
We don't want to take law in our hands. That is why we don't do anything. We are majority here. Attack them. If they want in this side of church, then we can face them. We don't have no problem. But we don't want to in that case. That is why we believe in law. That is why we are demanding to arrest them. That is why
Take them to combine.
Sir, whatever country we have given you, but other than we cannot mention. Person we cannot mention. Then we will remove it.
Media spokesperson, media songrona. Tini jeng orang road blockade claimani karonka. Je miawo incident yang mana? Orang miawo deputation coli tong mana? Abona jeng siring kena pairirka. Paiman jagulo borong no kifil puro. Acom sabro personal babi attack lagi. BJP ni gunda behind ni song. Angkai, abon tiye jeng mia horo, tesa rally kelaika. Abon ti police rock tam saga. Slogan kelaipura police rock saga jeng culprit song arrest kelai. Jeng clearly within 12 hours assurance clearly rika borok culprit song romai tumnai. Pia borok aboti kelailia 12 hours into the increase into 24 hours. Porjanto si borok bono culprit no romai maya ko. Abon bagai jeng abono maniyangai police ni je assurance rimani abono maniyangai borok je recog rimani abono fulfill klayani bagai jeng otesa about root block maklai.
Musim hodiong ka eba sabo poison ro hamia
sini patient sini tabuk tong durbolongjak physically pura bini horrible condition tabuk GB wo refer khlaijak ingka tai ko ekjona 7 jona tongko borokai ompiwo treatment not hangai hospital treatment claim abo ke minor but serious condition ka GB wo tabu refer khlaijak tong bini ekdom horrible condition sing abono kunu guarantee rimaya bo thangnai da thiada thinai da thangnai da jing guarantee rimaya assurance khaimaya
Haike kok mani bisingti khenaka norok ni je mia block deputation ni porewo norok ni tipramo thani adong rok no sakang khadu khitaru hani haike oborok o kokte kothmar ole besuk jarati kubu
about totally fake abo borok judici Chin promoter bro BJP song no opposition party song no bro attack like a bro romthung police rok sing mana khlaiable culprit is culprit je boro khanungthung tamo promoter tamo BJP team tamo CPM culprit mane romde sing abono kunu mana khlaya haifana sing boro proof krini bagai abo false statement rito abo totally false statement
Haike tabuk norok ni naimung tamo
ha
norok ni naimung tamo
singnayo miawo chini borok rokno personally attack khlai mane abono should be arrested tai jing kunu naya oro jing violence kainan bathangya oro jing peace no maintain khlainen nayo until the culprit got arrest sing oro okonai tongnai
haike norokni obahai bikhum misil khaijagi bo hor kuthuk bikhum misil khaijagi bo haike ba khaduma misil khaijagi bo tabasuk jora obahai police nai mathangni bisingti mungsa step romjagya obahai rokno tile norok busuk jora ti choba karak thangnai
acha hambai obobo tabuk porjonto mia hornisimi borok police rok jingna assurance khlaimani obo totally tabuk phano one step phano initiative nayako step nayako abon bagai jing borong u police ni borok je insurance rimani man yangai borok fulfill khlaiyani bagai jing obo ma khlayo
haike norok obahai tabuk culprit rokno khorok busukno romnani bagai obahai FIR khaijak
mia o tongo 6% culprit tongo jing application mention khlaijak aborongno romdi bas jing kebono fake babe jing borongno innocent borongno romdi bin saya judicial culprit rongno simi romtheng rompaimani jagolo jing obono peace no maintain khlainai bas hayasa